Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, this is Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below to subscribe to my channel. That way you receive all the information on what you need to do to build your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. So this is my government. I am a fan of government contracts. This is a surefire way to build your business to six figures and beyond. I actually had the pleasure of interviewing a contracting officer recently and just wanted to know if everything was pretty much the same. One thing about the government space, it changes so frequently. That is one thing that you must stay on top of. So I actually asked her what was I'd say number 1, 2, and 3 that makes the difference in getting you a contract walkthrough. The number one thing comes down to the relationship you have with the contracting officer. That is the number one when it comes to actually getting an invite where you prepare a request for proposal or a request for information. The best, of course, is the request for proposal. So getting that request for proposal all is based upon the relationship, or a large part is based upon the relationship you have with the contracting officer. They have the authority to actually bind the contract with the government. So that's why they're the contracting officers. They make the decision on the contract, who they select for the contract. There's several different contracts. There's a sealed contract, micro purchase. When it comes to a simplified, there are several different types and several vehicles. Like GSA is considered a vehicle type of a contract. But the number one way, because you can actually know all of that and never get the invitation to prepare the request for proposal. So building the relationship with the contracting officer is really important. Number 2, having a capability statement that is not just any capability statement, but the 6 components that I've spoken about in one of my other videos. So that is really important. There are 6 components to an award-winning capability statement. So make sure you look at the other videos or give me a call at 407-595-1597 if you'd like to know all the components to an award-winning capability statement. And the third thing is making sure that in your capability statement, and even when you are preparing it, the first thing you think about is what differentiates you. There is a lot of competition in the government space, in that marketplace. So you've got to make sure that you bring something that is going to differentiate you from all the others that are going through the same process when it comes to submitting your proposal. So you have to make sure that this is part of your capability statement and part of what you think about every time you're preparing something when it comes to your cleaning business. In order to scale to 6 figures, this is a must. So if you would like to learn more, because there are so many moving parts when it comes to doing business in the government space, then make sure you register for How to Win Big with Cleaning Government Contracts. How to Win Big with Government Cleaning Contracts. This is the masterclass that I love to teach, and I love to have you there. So make sure you click the link below where I will go over all the moving parts when it comes to the government space, from preparing a winning capability statement to what's required in the basics and how to build that relationship with the contracting officer, and a couple other surprises for you. So a couple of people wonder, is this mysterious contract that you can actually obtain without bidding and doing the RFI and RFP and sole sources sought and so on and so forth? Absolutely. Like I said, I had the pleasure of actually having several government contracts, and I am certified as a veteran business. So listen, and I would love to teach you all of that and more. So make sure you click the link below to register for learning how to win big with cleaning government contracts. Look forward to seeing you there. So until next time, take care and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.